Hey everyone, I have such a fun little box to share with you today. I'm talking all about the Variety Fun Box. It is so fun and exciting. If you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so the people at Variety Fun reached out to me and see if I'd like to try one of their snack boxes. And Lord knows I love me some snacks. And so I was like, sure, all right, go right ahead. So I didn't know what to kind of expect as far as what they were gonna send me. And I got this box and I couldn't have been more happy about it. So I definitely dug into some of these things to kind of see what they got, things like that. I have used them and I'll insert a picture in this general area kind of how I used it. I had company over and it was so cool to like just kind of put a little basket together of snacks when people came over that they could help themselves. It was such a great thing to do and I felt like there was a variety, there was a little bit for everybody. Yes, and I've definitely had my share of snacks in here. So this is a subscription service that delivers snacks to your door, and they have so many options, you guys. They have healthy options, they have home, office. This one was about a 40, I think there's about 40 something pieces in here, and that I think retails for $24.99. They also have a fun box with about 25 classic snacks that goes for $19.99. They have a 15 count healthy snack and a 30 count healthy snack. The 15, $24.99. The fit box that has 30 is $39.99. So how fun is that? And I love variety. I was always that child who like told their mom they loved Doritos. And then she would get Doritos and then I'd eat like 2 bags and be like, I'm done with Doritos. Now I like Fritos. And I have always been like that. Like I can eat the same thing over and over again, but when I'm done, I'm done. I don't want it again for like 5 years. Maybe that's an exaggeration. But that's a great thing about these Variety Fun Boxes is that there's variety. And you get sweetness and salt and spicy and the gamut. So they have traditional stuff. I've had like the Funyuns, there was Cheeto Puffs, which I never have, and they're so good, and I was so excited to have a pre-portion size of that and just like indulge. And this is really good too. I'm going to tell you all the ways you can use this, but let's go through it first. So I'll show you kind of some of the stuff. I love that it's a variety again of healthy stuff, even not so healthy stuff, but these are really fun. I can't wait to try this. I kind of ate the things that were like not standard, but that people knew of, and kind of kept some of the stuff that shows you that there is a bunch of variety. So like there's these kettle corn popcorners, look so good. I love pop chips. They have barbecue, animal crackers, delicious. There is quite a variety of these, the grandma cookies, peanut butter, chocolate chips. I might have eaten those. They have Lay's, delicious. These one I've been dying to try. The honey barbecue flavored chips. These sound so good. They have those Ritz with the cheese in those. Those went quick out of my little basket that I will show you, that I showed you. Veggie straws, so good. I love these. They have things like little lemon cream crackers, spicy cheddar crackers, sour cream and onion. They have Cheez-Its. There's even things like, hello, fruit snacks. Delicious. Oreos. Oreos are vegan, so if you are vegan, you can eat Oreos. Did you even know that? Special tip for me today. Fruit roll-ups. Oh my gosh. Not even 2 fruit roll-ups. 1 fruit roll-up. This is one of my favorite things to eat. Airheads, white mystery flavor. To die for. One of my most favorite candies. Gummies, Airheads, delicious. We also have another one of my favorites, Stroop waffles. So good, you guys. These, I love these. Granola bars, peanuts. We have a fruit and nut bar, chewy chocolate chip bar, Mother Circus, Rice Krispie treats, Mott's gummies, more Cheez-Its, my Super Cookies Chocolate Heroes organic, vanilla wafers, Chex Mix, and that's not even all of them. I've eaten the cheese puffs, I've eaten the Funyuns, I've had Mother's cookies, I've had I had friends come over, we put in, they had like little like chocolate chip cookies, little like rainbow chip cookies. Yeah, we've dived into quite a few. When I was receiving the box, I thought, I wonder how applicable this could be to me as a single person or to any else of my viewers. Because at first I was thinking like, oh, like if you work in an office or something, that'd be something I guess you could get, but like what is the functionality of it? But as I kind of got into it and I really looked at the items and I looked at my life and I looked at other people's like what they could use this for, I kind of had quite a few really good ideas. One is that for me, one, I don't keep that many snacks in my house. I kind of keep everything pretty basic because if it's in my house, I'm going to eat it. So a big bag of chips, no. A big bag of gummy bears, no. People come to my house all the time and like, you don't have any food. Well, I'm like, I have water and I have veggies. That's what I have. Fruit. So this is really nice for me, is to have, when I have a sweet tooth or I want something salty, to have a pre-portioned pack of something. And you really can't go for more because it's pre-portioned. There's not something I have to go. I mean, you could grab another snack, but typically it kind of satiates my salt, my sugar cravings, and I can be good. And I really liked that for myself. I also loved having it, like I said, I had people over, and to kind of allow my guests to be able to have an option of snacks, and a variety of snacks. And I didn't feel like I had to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. I could have, you know, things in a little basket and they can choose from them. Sometimes when you have things like that, you end up overbuying because you want people to have a variety of things. So I thought that's nice to have on hand when if you have people over and stuff like that, they'd be good to have. If you have kids, like how awesome is it that you're able to have a variety of snacks to be able to stick into their lunch. They can pick something, put it in their lunch. As an adult, you could pick something and put it in your lunch. So nice. Especially as summer rolls around and you have more kids in your house, possibly with play dates and stuff like that, or places to go and snacks that you need to pack for. Awesome. Like if you're going on a road trip, like have these all snacks sent to your house and you have a variety of things. And you know, if you're going on an airplane, here's some snacks to take. You don't have to go buy a bunch of different stuff. You got a nice variety here. So I love that. If you work in an office, maybe once a month to be able to share with people, or if you have meetings in your office, to have something that people can, you know, take. I love that I work with a bunch of women. I'm excited to take some of these snacks over and share with them. Teachers get hungry and put it in our little like sharing area where people can grab something, try something new. There's so many ways to use these, you guys. Even if you just are planning a bigger party, and again, you don't want to buy 75 bags of chips because you want to make sure you have barbecue and Doritos and all of those things, you have a variety here. And so you can serve them in a party, put them in a cute little basket, put them on a tray, and people can come and go and get what they want. I love that they have the healthier version. So if you are watching, you know, your weight, or you're very health conscious, or you're looking for snack alternatives, that would be a really good one to try out too, you guys. Probably has some really great stuff that you already know, and then stuff that you may not be as familiar with. So I love that you get to try stuff out, and if you really like something, you can go online and order it again. But yeah, I am thoroughly impressed by the brands, how many things you got for the price. I just think it's so much fun. I want to have more so I could have all the snakes in the world. I love me some snakes. So you guys, I'm so excited because not only did they send me a wonderful surprise of all of these snacks, but they're giving you 25% off your first box if you hit the link down below and use the code FUN25. You guys, check it out. And again, you have those options. You can't not try it for 25% off. It may make, if you probably got the least option, about $14-15. So check it out. So hit that link below. Remember, FUN25 for 25% off your first box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and happy snacking. Bye.